Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this one going knot decor that I got. I love this. I think that it's so pretty. You can stack it, you can lay it, you can kind of drape it over something else. There's a lot of ways you can display it. It is solid wood, but it is lightweight. It's not super heavy, but it does feel really solid. I got it in the white, which I think is pretty. You can still see the wood grain in it also. I bought this to put on my coffee table. I've had it with some books and then another white vase, and I just think that it looks really pretty. I think it would look good in maybe a bathroom or a bedroom also, on your mantle. I think it would look so good in so many different spaces. It's held up great. I've had this for a few months. My kids have messed with it. They've played with it. Nothing's happened. They've gotten stuff on it and it's really easy to just wipe off and get clean. I think that this is just a really cute boho minimalistic feel. If you want to just add a little bit of an accent to your home, something that's just a cute understated piece, I think that this is absolutely perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.